Introducing the Poulan Pro gas-powered chainsaw, an excellent all-around medium-duty chainsaw, ideal for general property management and firewood cutting. It offers a combination of features and functionality that could make your next cutting job easier. Now take a look at the features of the Poulan Pro gas-powered chainsaw. Effortless pole starting system for easier starting and reduced wear on the starter mechanism. Duralife 50cc 2-cycle engine for longer engine life, designed and built with strength and durability in mind. The reduced vibration handles ensure you can work comfortably and for longer periods, minimizing operator fatigue. Superclean Air Filter System, a unique system which provides a longer air filter life and reduced fuel consumption while maintaining power. Automatic gear-driven oil, promotes consistent lubrication anytime the saw is running. 20-inch steel bar with pro-style chain, more cutters to get the job done quickly. Onboard locking scrunch holder and carrying case included for convenient transporting and storage. What are customers saying about the Poulan Pro gas-powered chainsaw? Check out the customer reviews now at bestchainsawreview.com.